A cruise ship has arrived in South Australia and it's not quite the holiday these people thought it was going to be. This is a COVID and gastro outbreak. Monique von der Hayden joins us live from Adelaide now. Mon, when did this ship arrive?
The Grand Princess cruise ship arrived here in Port Adelaide this morning. Laura, you can see it just here behind me. The ship is operated by Princess Cruises and can hold up to 4,000 people, but SA Health has confirmed this morning that only 7% of the passengers on board have been diagnosed with either COVID-19 or with gastro. Reports from the passengers and crew on board say that the number of people who were confined to their rooms increased as early as 2 days into this 18-day voyage. So definitely, as you said, definitely not the holiday these people were expecting. But SA Premier Peter Malinauskas has said that they have strict protocols in place to handle these passengers as they disembark today.
There are protocols in place from SA Health about how we deal with cruise ships where there are outbreaks of illnesses, to make sure that any people coming on shore is done in a thoughtful way, that's done with a degree of collaboration between SA Health and the operator of the cruise ship. But we do have to be careful when these circumstances present themselves, and there is a protocol to address it.
SA is currently in the middle of a COVID-19 outbreak and in the middle of a wave here as well. The SA Health reported just last Friday 2,493 COVID-19 cases, which is up by 793 from the past reporting period. But the Premier has ruled out the reintroduction of masks.
When we see a spike in the number of COVID cases in an environment where most people aren't testing themselves anymore, you know that there's a lot in the community. Now, these waves are going to come and go. We always knew that, but this one is particularly bad. It is having an impact on the health system. It's having an impact on people who get unwell, but it isn't currently being contemplated that we introduce mask restrictions, no.
Passengers have already begun to disembark this morning, with those who have tested positive leaving separate to those who were also on board to be seen by doctors on site, Laura.